What's good, guys? It's your girl Kiesha Arielle and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video I will be sharing with you how I install box braids as a low manipulation protective style for length retention. So let's get into it. Okay, so on freshly washed, moisturized and blow dried hair, I am going to use some Taming Gel to tame any flyaways, which allows the style to stay neat for a longer period of time. So as I'm preparing to install the first braid, I am going to put some of the Taming Gel on the back of my hand for quick and easy access to the product. Next, I'm going to part out my first section where I will apply a small amount of the Taming Gel to the base of the hair and smooth the product through the hair using the comb and my fingers to allow the hair to lay flat and neat. Now, bear in mind this step is optional, but if you would like for your box braids to stay neat for a longer period of time, then I highly recommend including this step. Okay, so once I'm happy with the product distribution, I divide the hair into 3 pieces to begin braiding. So using my left hand, I am moving the hair from the left under the middle section over to the right, while moving the middle section to the left, then moving the hair from the right to the middle. And I will be doing this weaving technique throughout the length of the section. Now, there are 2 ways in which you can install braids. You can either braid the hair by going over the top or going underneath. However, in this video, I am braiding the hair by going under rather than over, which I don't usually do, but for the sake of demonstrating how I'm weaving the hairs to make a braid, I thought this was the best way to demonstrate how to install box braids using your natural hair. So once again, using my left hand, I am moving the hair from the left under the middle section over to the right, while moving the middle section to the left, then moving the hair from the right to the middle. And I'm repeating this throughout the length of her hair. So as a reminder, low manipulation hairstyles are styles that once installed requires minimal styling and handling, which is why it is called low manipulation. While a protective style is any hairstyle that fortifies and protects the hair strands from damage and or breakage over a short or long period of time. Okay, so once I'm happy with the product distribution, I divide the hair into 3 pieces to begin braiding. So using my left hand, I am moving the hair from the left under the middle section over to the right, while moving the middle section to the left, then moving the hair from the right to the middle. And I will be doing this weaving technique throughout the length of the section. And this is the finished look. Now, if you found today's video very helpful, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, I will be right back here with another video.